Hello guys, I use my phone Ulefone Note 9P. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB install memory in Aurora blue color. Okay, in complementation in this box we have phone, USB Type-C cable and charging adapter, protective back cover, and this all complementation. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, triple camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, 6.5-inch display front camera. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On right side, power key, warm keys. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Headphones jack on the upside. Turn on device, HD resolution display, IPS matrix, Android. We have Android. About phone. Android 10, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, CPU MediaTek MT6762, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, CPU MediaTek, GPU PowerVR G8320, resolution display PPA, 4GB RAM memory, and these results. And look under the benchmark results. Under the benchmark results, okay. Close this and start GTA San Andreas demanded game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the maximum graphic level. Resume game. Game load. Works good on maximum graphic level without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. Okay, close this, and now talk about camera. Main camera 16+5+2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.